How to check motherboard information. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your PC or laptop. Then, simply search System Information. And in System Information, you will find Baseboard Manufacturer. That's your motherboard. Then you also find Product and also version. Another way to check motherboard information is by opening command prompt. Open command prompt and in here simply type in as shown on the screen, which is WMIC space baseboard space get. Then press on enter and you'll find your motherboard information in here as well. And this is how to check motherboard information. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.